Hello, welcome to ToyMatt. Today we're going to do another unboxing video for a couple toys that we are going to feature on a future comparison episode. So what I've got here is I've got Last Jedi C-3PO and Last Jedi Luke Skywalker Jedi Master. Since we are 1 week away from the opening of The Last Jedi, I figured over the next week I will spotlight some Star Wars toys. So let's start off with these. So we got C-3PO. Taking a look at the back, mostly it is showing off its interactions with the Force Link toy. Something I'm looking forward to comparing to something even older. So let's open them up. Got some paperwork. And there's C-3PO. It's kind of got this one arm that's bent right here. Not a big fan of that. These are actually the first of the Last Jedi toys I'm opening up. So let's see what's here. Looks like advertising for the Force Link accessory. Yep, that's what that is. And just some more instructions on how to play with the toy with the Force Link accessory to make the sounds and speech. Alright, now Luke Skywalker Jedi Master. This probably could have been used for the Force Awakens toy. You know, just him chilling in his robes that he has on Octo. Alright, pull them out of here. Yep, again, more Force Link instructions. Pop them out of here. So here we are. It's got a plastic rubberized robe that comes on and off easily, and here he is. That's pretty neat how we got the robes actually going around the legs and not just being solid chunks. And you got his fleshy hand and his robot hand. But again, since we are a week out from the Last Jedi, I'm looking forward to reviewing some more Star Wars toys this week. Probably going to start off with these two on Monday. So if you have any questions or comments, please mention it below. And until next time, we take two toys and have them take it to the ToyMatt.